Who?
Venom.
Venom?
Batman, Arkham Knight, and
Batman?
No,
Arkham
Arkham Knight.
Arkham Knight? Venom. Good. Fighting stance. Uh-oh. You guys look strong. Fight! Be quiet, sir. Be quiet, sir. Break! Break!
I'm knocking him down.
Sir, be quiet. Ready? Fighting stance. Fight! Punch the face, sir. Punch him back hard, sir. Get mad. I'm going to put you on the wall, sir. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Break. Back to the wall. Back to the line. Let's go. No, be quiet. Get up. Let's go. Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Ready? Punch your legs up, sir. Fight! I'm not talking to you right now, sir. You're not behaving yourself. Behave yourself, I'll talk to you. Stop that, loud. Punch straight. Be quiet, Leland. I'm not going to tell you again. I'm going to take your orange belt next. Loud, stop that wild punching. Punch straight. Michael, fight back. Break. Back to the line. Look. Sir, you're not fighting as hard as you did last time, and sir, stop this wild stuff. He's actually fighting stronger than you this time. Last time you were fighting stronger. Sir, bite your mouthpiece down. Put in your teeth. Alright. Ready? Fight! Gotta punch hard, gentlemen. Stop punching wild. Punch straight, hard. Keep fighting. Kicks. Thumb on the ground. Break. Stop. Be quiet, Lyle. I'm sorry. Be quiet, Leland. Put your back against the wall. Neutral.